In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale photos with AI in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to boost the resolution of an image so it looks sharper and cleaner in your designs, presentations, or social posts, all without leaving Canva. Upscaling simply means increasing the pixel count of an image while using AI to preserve or enhance detail. It's great when a photo looks a bit soft or when you need to print or display it larger than the original size allows. Keep in mind, AI can improve clarity and reduce noise, but it can't invent perfect detail from nothing, so results depend on the quality of your starting image. Open your design in Canva, and make sure the photo you want to improve is on the canvas. Click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and corner handles appear. If the photo is part of a layout or background, keep clicking until the image itself is highlighted. This is important because the editing options only show up when the image layer is actively selected. With the image selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar or panel. Click on Edit to open Canva's image editing tools. If you don't see it, double-check that the photo is still selected. It's easy to click off the image and hide the editing panel by accident. The Edit area is where Canva collects adjustments and effects, including AI-powered options that can transform how your photo looks. Inside the Edit panel, click on Upscale. Canva will start processing your image using AI to increase resolution and enhance fine details. This can take a few moments depending on your internet connection and the size of the image. When it's done, look closely at edges like text on signs, hair, or architectural lines. You should notice a crisper appearance, reduced pixelation, and often less compression noise. If something looks off, maybe it's a bit too sharp or artifacts appear, use Undo to revert, or try again starting from a cleaner original. A few quick tips to get the best results. Start with the highest quality version of your photo you have, even if it's still small. Avoid heavily cropped or overly compressed images when possible. After upscaling, zoom to 100% or 200% to evaluate detail accurately. Viewing at odd zoom levels can be misleading. Finally, remember that availability of certain tools may vary by region or plan, and Canva continuously updates features, so names and placements can shift slightly over time. That's it, you've upscaled your photo with AI and Canva, fast and clean.